I recently went to a restaurant in Goa and ordered a plate of pickled vegetables. The pickled raw mango flavors is something I absolutely fell in love with. And so, on today's episode of Easy Food with DG, you learn how to make the most delicious pickled raw mangoes. For that you need raw mangoes, fresh green chilies, sugar, dry red chilies, water, salt, vinegar, and a container. Let's get pickling. Take a jar, clean it nicely, and first throw in sliced mangoes. Place a few, then slit open a green chilli, throw that in. I'm going to use 2 green chilies, a little more mango, and now time for the dried red chilies. If you like, you can put them whole, or like me, break them. Fill up the remaining raw mango slices. Done. Fill it up with water. Now, sugar, I have 1 tablespoon of sugar. In the same amount of salt. And 2 to 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. If you like it sour, you can always add some more. If there's still a little more place on top, pour in some more water. Make sure all the raw mangoes are soaked in. Press them in. Ready? Cover it, keep it in a cool, dry place for 2 weeks, and you're ready to enjoy. Cook it, click it, post it on Easy Food with DG. If you still haven't subscribed onto my YouTube channel, please do so. I'll see you soon.